Hello everyone, this is Anu Sharma from Remax Millennium. I'm in the beautiful city of Brampton. As you can see, I'm in the driveway of 24 Mario Street. That's my latest listing. It's a beautiful location, very closely located to Highway 427, 407 and Costco. My personal favorite is the kitchen. It is a fully upgraded brand new kitchen with the stainless steel matching black appliances. It has a large countertop. Everything in this house is fully upgraded. I'm hosting open house Sunday and Monday from 2 to 4. If you want to see this property, come see me. I'll let you enjoy the tour. Thank you.
Hey.